When I came to the University of Washington, it's such a big school. And I think everyone is always overwhelmed by how many students we have and kind of trying to find your place and your kind of niche in the university system. And when I found the department, I was just so surprised and kind of had this disbelief that a department in this university could be such a homey place. And it puts all those creative minds and that young energy into something new. Whether that's a high school outreach program or whether that's, let's come up with a way to kind of bond our students together in a new way, or let's come up with a way to send a whole team of people to a conference. How do we do that? Or what kind of research do we want to promote? And I think it opens so many doors.
I greatly value the industrial engineering department here and all of the faculty and the student groups. One thing I'm very excited about with this endowment is that it will help fund students attending research conferences. I was very blessed and lucky enough to be selected to present my research at the International ISE Research Conference in Puerto Rico my senior year. And with this endowment, this scholarship, we will be able to send a few students each year to have the same opportunity that I did.
The value of the student groups is that you have this team and you can watch these people, the officers, learn how to lead. And so what they're doing is they're coming out of their shells and they're learning how to work with people and they're learning how to work with the industry and they're learning how to equip their fellow students. And then at the same time, you see the students in the department becoming more confident, seeing new ideas of what's available within the community as far as jobs in systems engineering. And then you also see them become more confident as their skills are developed, especially as they're doing mock interviews and having their resumes reviewed. You see them just having this hope and excitement about what's coming instead of being afraid.
ISE is a small department, and when you contribute, you can feel every dollar that goes into that department. It really does touch every single student, faculty, and staff member. I think what's so unique and sets us apart as a department is that we are very small, and we do have very motivated, very intelligent people working. And it's really cool because that means that everyone kind of knows each other. The students and the faculty and the staff all kind of act like a family. And so when you donate, you allow that family to grow and you allow that family to get all these opportunities and to further education, to further the professional opportunities of the students.
One of the things I like most about the endowment is that it will allow ISE student groups to go out to the community, to local high schools, and promote engineering to these local students who may have not known what industrial engineering was. I'm really hoping that it actually promotes STEM to underrepresented minorities. I feel like if I would have known more about what engineering was, or maybe other technology or science disciplines were when I was a student in high school or maybe even middle school, it probably would have made me understand what my opportunities could have been in engineering a lot more. At least I got here eventually, but I think my path would have been a lot more guided.
I think for me, the endowment really means a lot, and to give back to it is important. I think I took so much away from my experience as the chapter president and just the student in general in this department. It's a learning experience being here, and I think it's a really good way to give back and allow others to have that same kind of learning experience.
Thank you.